In front of me is ZTE Blade V2020, and let me show you how to change keyboard dictionary on this device. So first of all, let's open messages or any other area where you can enter the text. But new message will be the perfect spot. And as you can see now, we are set up with English. To change it, tap on settings icon, select languages, click on add keyboard, and now you can choose whatever from this list. The list is super long and you will definitely find something suitable here. No matter where you're from, your language is definitely located here. And let me pick Hebrew because the change will be visible perfectly. Tap on done. Then remove unnecessary language. In my case it's English. Tap on bin icon to confirm. And from now on, as you can see, this brand new keyboard language is applied. And this is how you can change it. Then whenever you'd like to do it again, just perform the same operation. So this is it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.